Alaikum, greetings of peace. I am here to record my Ramadan message to all of you. Ramadan Mubarak is starting tonight. We are entering the blessed month of Ramadan. To all my friends, my family, my loved ones, my supporters, I would like to send blessings, hugs, and all the du'as of Ramadan. And also want to send a special request to all of you to keep me and my family in your prayers during this Ramadan. Inshallah, this is a beautiful time. And trust me, Ramadan is not the month of feasting. It's not for party. It's for fasting, and it's also for cleansing your body, mind, soul, and your heart, inshallah, and seek Allah SWT blessings. This Ramadan, once again, will be at home. Do not be afraid, do not be sad, and do not feel isolated. You're closer to Allah SWT, you're closer to your family, and you're closer to your loved one, connected by the heart. So stay focused on yourself, stay focused on your ibadah, spend more time with your family, and build that connection that Allah SWT commands us with, right? So it's a very special time, it's a blessed month. Try to focus on yourself and building your connection with Allah SWT during this entire month, instead of connecting with outside world more. Like, just leave this month only and only focused on your personal cleansing and your personal mind and body and soul connection with Allah SWT. Remember, our first and foremost important relationship building need is to build our relationship with Allah SWT. If we are not able to build that connection, if we are not able to build that relationship with Allah SWT, we'll never be fix our relationship with others around us. So build that connection. Be the best form of yourself during this month, so the rest of the year can follow through, inshallah, follow along with you, inshallah, and keep all the people who are oppressed. Keep all the people who are going through injustice, who are going through racism, discrimination, slaughtering, and everything, all forms of abuse around the world. Keep all of them in your du'as. Keep all the Muslims who are being oppressed, who are going through human rights violation, in your special du'as. These are your brothers and sisters in Palestine, in Burma, in Yemen, in Kashmir, and in China, everywhere. All your brothers and sisters have this obligation on you to pray for them, to pray for the ease of their pain, and also for Allah SWT to have a special mercy on them. And also during this COVID-19, make a special du'as for Allah SWT to send His mercy, forgive us, and seek His pleasure the utmost way possible, inshallah. And again, don't forget to send du'as for me and my families, and special nights should always be especially focused, inshallah. AssalamoAlaikum Warahamatullah Wabarakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak.